Spoiler alert, Dumbledore's gonna die soon. Let's get back to it with bag 16. Oh, that was a head that rolled in my lap. Security. The scraping in the litter box is ruining the moment a little bit. Not gonna lie, it's making me want to reread Harry Potter. It's just so good. Bag 17. I've officially made it to movie 7, part 1. I swear this is like one of the saddest parts of the series, is when they have to erase their family's memory, like Hermione's parents, that she ever existed. Ugh. You haven't been participating lately. You're purring very loud. This is going here. Ow. Is it supposed to be crooked again? Oh, like it looks good. I like symmetry. It says Gringotts Bank. Gravy. It's coming together. Bag 18. We are building a bank. It looks good. It's gonna go on top of this, and it's